years ago, my father, Mafio Polo, and my uncle, Nicolo Polo, set sail on a long journey to Asia.
You got the keys?
No, you got the keys.
No, you got the keys.
No, I don't. You have them.
Alright. Where's the car?
Here it is. After they hopped in their ride, they went all the way to China. Who are you?
I am Kublai Khan, Emperor of all China.
Okay.
Who are you?
I am Mafio Polo, and this is my brother Nicolo Polo. Hello.
Hello, how fascinating. How about you go back to Europe, bring 100 of your churchmen back here with some holy water, and teach me everything you know about Christianity. Okay?
Okay.
What's that?
Okay, yeah, sure. The great Khan, ruler of China, sent many letters and valuable gifts persuading us to come back to China. Hi, Dad. Hi, Uncle.
Hello.
Where were you?
China.
What's China?
It's an Asian country whose leader is known as Kublai Khan. It's awesome. You really should come with us.
I'd love to. Let's go.
You got the key?
Wait, who has the keys?
You have the keys. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Oh, hang on. Here we go. Road trip!
I don't think I feel I got very, very badly sick in Badakhshan and had to stay there for a year while recovering.
Oh, Marco Polo, it's been so nice having you here for the past 17 years working for me, Kublai Khan of China. So, on your way back to Venice, you don't mind dropping off my niece, do you? Niece. Yes, on the way, not too far out away, just around the block and down the street, right?
No. Can we stop at the convenience store?
No. China.
I was Kublai Khan's babe. He gave me these awesome jobs. I was an officer of the Privy Council in 1227. For three years, I was a tax inspector in Yanzhou, and I visited Kakaruni and parts of Siberia. I went on a number of trips and journeys to China, Burma, and India. Bloop, bloop. It was Persia. Hi there.
Who are you?
I'm Marco Polo.
Hello, Marco Polo. You was the Prince too, eh?
Yeah. As you can see, I can't get out of these bars.
Tell me a story. I've been here for so long I've not heard a thing.
Well, I went to China. China has all these goods, and there's these tigers, like huge cats, and then tigers, and they had...
Marco Polo's stories were so fascinating, I decided to write a book. Hooray!